I haven't tested voltmeter, ampere meter, and watt meter made with Arduino loader just here. Arduino Nano divider, resistive divider here for voltage, and here is a current sensor, current hold sensor is ACS 712 for 30 amps, and here see value is okay. I reduce voltage to reduce also current 10 volts. Here is a LED band. Value are same, not exactly, but not calibrate until now, just test with value. I will test with digital multimeter, but now I just use this power supply. Looks okay. In future we've add functionality for a button, because OLED remain some inscription on display if it's off, so will be on just a few seconds. And here is part for send to data to a server with Wi-Fi. This is a development board with ESP8266.